Hello, everyone. Uh, in continuation with our option trading strategies, the next one is about box spread. Box spread is a combination of bull spread with calls and bear spread with puts. So it is also called as a long box strategy, and it can be created by purchasing a call option. So we call it as a long call at an exercise price E1, paying a premium C1. Then by selling a put option, which we call it as a short put at the same exercise price E1, receiving a premium P1 because here we are selling. Then purchasing another put option, call it as long put at an exercise price E2. Since we are purchasing, we are paying a premium P2 and selling another call option, which we call it as a short call at this same exercise price E2, receiving a premium C2 because we are selling it. All are on the same underlying asset and all these options are having the same expiry date. Considering the market price at the time of settlement to be S1, we can create a payoff table for the holder of the long box spread as like this. Market price S1, it can be more than or equal to the largest exercise price, or it can be between the least and the highest exercise price, or it can be lesser than or equal to the least exercise price. These are the three different possibilities. Now let us see what will be the payoff. In the first case, if you look into, it is payoff from long call means it's a call option. I am the holder, right? Because it is long. So I am purchasing it and I'm holding it. So here, the market price is larger than the largest exercise price, which means it will be definitely larger than my exercise price. So I will exercise. So my payoff will be S1 minus E1. Right here, market price is larger than my exercise price. So again, I will exercise here. In this case, in the third case, market price is lesser than my exercise price. I won't exercise. Then here, it is a short put. I sold a put to someone. So I am the writer. So that someone, what he will do, let's see. Market price is larger than the highest exercise price. So definitely he won't exercise because it is a put option. Market price is larger than his exercise price. He won't exercise. Market price is lesser than his exercise price. He will exercise. His payoff will be E1 minus S1. But this table is meant for me, so I'll not write it in the reverse. I will write S1 minus. Next. This is long put means I am the holder of a put option. Market price is larger than my exercise price. I won't exercise. Here, market price is lesser than my exercise price. I will exercise. My profit will be E2 minus S1. The third case, market price is lesser than the least exercise price, which means it will be less than my exercise price also. That means I will get a payoff of the same thing, E2 minus S1. Here, it is a short call, means I sold a call. So I am not the holder, I am only the writer. Somebody else has to decide. It's a call option. Market price is larger than that person's exercise price. So he will exercise. His profit will be S1 minus E2. That means mine will be E2 minus S1. The next one, market price is larger than E1 and it is lesser than my exercise, sorry, his exercise price. He won't exercise. Market price is lesser than the least exercise price. Here also he won't exercise because it is a call option. Now let us calculate the total payoff. We may notice S1 gets cancelled, so you are left with E2 minus 1. The next one, S1 gets cancelled. Here also it is E2 minus E1. Market price minus S1 plus S1 gets cancelled. Here also it is E2 minus premium received. Let's see. Buying a call option by paying premium. Paying means here it will be negative C1. C1. Okay. Then receiving premium. So plus P1. Then paying premium minus P2. Wherever it is an outflow, I am putting it as negative. Wherever it is an inflow, I am putting it as positive. Receiving a premium, so I earn it. So it is plus C2. This will be the premium for this strategy overall received. Here you may find this is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. This is, oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is sixth column. Let me write that as sixth column. This is my sixth column. This is my seventh column. Of course, this will be our sixth plus seventh column. So I am not going to write because space constraint is there. Anyway, we know that if I add these two, one more surprising thing we may notice in all the situations, the net payoff remains the same because you may look into this is the same in all. This is also the same in all. If I add, the result will also be the same. So another thing what we may notice is that this sum of these two do not involve S1. That means there is no break-even price possible. No break-even price exists since the net payoff is independent of we do not have independent of S1. So we do not have a this thing, which means that it is a very safe strategy because you will be going into this strategy only after knowing all this. You know what will be E1, what will be E2. You also know what is C1, C2, what is P1, P2. Based on all these things, you will decide whether you want to go for this strategy or not. Which means definitely the profit which we are going to gain in this strategy will be very low because everybody will be knowing about this aspect, right? So that's about long box spread. In case if you find this video to be useful to you, I request you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.